Go to the Setup menu and click on the Project Folder option under the Configure menu drop-down. You can set up project folders at the site level, or for a specific category of projects by clicking on the drop-down and selecting a category. To rename the folders, click on the specific tab and click on the pencil icon to rename it to a preferred folder name and save. You can now configure access permissions to files and folders. Permissions can be granted to an individual role or set of roles. The three vertical dots next to each permission displays a drop-down that allows you to apply the same preference to multiple roles in one go. You can also revoke privileges using the Revoke option. To access the project folder of a particular project, single-click on the project and select Project Folder from the options in the drop-down. You will see folders as configured in the Setup menu. Within each tab you can add files by clicking on the Upload icon, adding files and saving. You can then configure permissions at a file level. Click the yellow action arrow. Select permission from the options in the drop-down. Choose the role and grant or revoke permission and then save. You can also create subfolders by selecting the plus icon. You can grant permission to the subfolder by repeating the same exercise that was done for the file.